Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro's Hero 13 is still the best action camera overall, even with DJI nipping at its heels. While it hasn't changed much from the Hero 12 on the inside, outside is a whole new story. It's now available with a new family of modular lenses called the HB series, ultrawide, anamorphic and macro, making it far more versatile. It also has a slightly bigger battery that allows longer capture times, up to 90 minutes for 4K 30 frames per second video. Other specs remain the same, including resolution up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second and 10-bit color with high data rates, and 8:7 capture that uses the entire sensor. Otherwise, the Hero 13 still has the best digital stabilization, aka hypersmooth, of any action camera, a full-color front screen and the best image quality in its class. It also has the widest range of accessories, with everything from mounts to waterproof remotes to harnesses. The main drawback is the mediocre low-light capability, one area where DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro is superior. Features: waterproof 10mm, stabilization, time-lapse, microphone, voice control, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C, storage media, microSD, sensor, 1/1.9 CMOS, photo resolution, 27.13 MP, 5568 by 4872, video resolution, 5.3K, video format, MP4, optical zoom, 2x, internal storage capacity, none. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. DJI has dominated the drone and gimbal categories, but action cams seem to vex the company. It finally broke that jinx with the Action 5 Pro, which stands up well to the GoPro 13. Its best feature is the large 1/1.3-inch sensor that makes it better than its rival in low light. It also tops the action cam battery life charts at well over 2 hours while shooting in 4K 60p. Another nice feature is 47 GB of internal storage, a big help if you fill or forget your microSD memory card. And the Osmo Action 5 Pro works directly with DJI's noise-canceling Mic 2 and Mic Mini wireless microphones, providing an easy way to record high-quality sound. The Action 5 Pro's main downsides are relatively low resolution and slightly poorer stabilization compared to the competition. DJI's device tops out at 4K 120 frames per second, which is lower than the GoPro or 13's f.3K 60 frames per second. Both can record log, though. And while the DJI camera's stabilization is capable, it doesn't quite match the excellence of the GoPro 13. Number 3. Insta360 X4. Cameras that can record 360-degree video can perform a nice trick, letting you reframe action after you shoot it or capture immersive video for virtual reality. Insta360 simply dominates this category, with no rival even close to its latest X4 model. It captures action at up to 8K 30 frames per second or 5.7K at 60 frames per second, providing more detail when you reframe it to 16:9 for viewing on a regular screen. At the same time, the Me mode that produces flat video, with automatic selfie stick removal, has been upgraded from a maximum 2.7K 30 frames per second to 4K 30 frames per second. The X4 now has removable lens guards included to protect the lenses from damage in rough shooting conditions. It also offers solid battery life, waterproofing to 10mm and a free editing app. However, low-light capability slightly lacks next to the Hero 13 and Action 5, and the 8K video files are huge. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Late in 2023, DJI unveiled the Osmo Pocket 3 and I called it maybe the only vlogging camera you need. It has a big 1-inch sensor, which is the same size as the one on Sony's ZV-1 II compact camera. That boosts image quality considerably, particularly in low light. It also has a new, large swiveling touchscreen that makes it easier to switch between horizontal and vertical video. What really makes it great for vlogging are the follow modes combined with face tracking. If you're working solo, you can simply set it up and it'll rotate and tilt to follow you around. That also applies for walk and talk vlogging, so you don't have to worry about focus or even pointing the camera at yourself. There's very little not to like about the Osmo Pocket 3, but it's not ideal for photos due to the reduced resolution, and it's also quite expensive. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4. With the arrival of the Osmo Action 5, the Action 4 often goes on sale at very attractive prices. You're not giving up much in comparison to the Action 5 Pro. It has the same 1/1.3-inch sensor that delivers excellent video quality, especially in low light. And it also comes with a D-Log-M profile that boosts dynamic range in tricky lighting conditions, like skiing in the trees on a sunny day. The main reason to buy an Action 5 Pro instead is its built-in 47 GB of storage, slightly better battery life and a higher bitrate that reduces pixelation. If those things aren't critical, DJI's Osmo Action 4 can currently be found for half the price. Features: waterproof 18mm, without case, 60mm, with waterproof case, subject tracking, slow motion, time-lapse, stabilization, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, storage media, microSD, sensor, 1/1.3-inch CMOS, photo resolution, 10MP, video resolution, 4K, video format, MP4, optical zoom, not specified, internal storage capacity, none.